You want to go with Indo?
No. You go. I'm feeling very cold. I don't know why.
I hope you're not sick.
Yeah, no, I'm not sick.
Okay.
I just got a chance to go outside. Since morning I was working. So maybe I'll get used to it in next 15 minutes.
Yeah. I don't even feel cold.
Yeah.
I'm going to put this here.
You can hold her.
No, that's okay.
It's okay.
You want to come from that or this one? Here. Up from
Just,
this.
just from this one.
This one? You want to go with me, Lisa? No. Together we can go together, okay?
Look at the weather, man. It's too cold. It's all white everywhere. Whoa. The young ladies on their way for sledging. Let's see. Put your hand. Put your hand. Oh man. Misha, move away. Whoa, let's see. Who is on the wheel?
Oh my God.
Your hat.
Oh my God.
How was the ride?
Oh my God. Invigorating. Namaste.
Namaste. So happy 2025. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Woohoo.
And if you do this 3-4 times in a day, then you will like your workout is done for the day.
You too go down. I take
I'm
your
good.
video. You too. Now we have Indu and Vinod going up the hill. And we have Misha on the left side, enjoying the beautiful snow of the New Year, 2025, at Drexelbrook residence. Here's Misha. Misha, Happy New Year. Woo, look at Misha go. Woo, you okay? Look at Mommy and Daddy. Go push them, Misha. They're still on their honeymoon. They're still on their honeymoon.
Yeah, I'm so happy.
How was the ride?
Yeah, it was awesome. Thank you, Kat.
You're welcome. How was the ride, Indo?
Good. He was laying on me.
Ooh.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
He was like, Mom, put your phone in your pocket. Huh?
Oh my God, that was a good one.
Directly on face. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three.
That was a good one.
Now the cameraman. Cameraman.
Your hat.
Really good snow.
There's not too much snow.
I need to clean.
Snowing in the morning. It was good.
Yeah,
We came out
it was so pretty.
around 11.
Wow.
That's a big ball.
I'm gonna get you, Lisa.
That's a big ball. So you should be careful. Don't turn face, okay? No face.
I'm doing right here.
Your hat's pretty too.
Look at this.